Hi guys, welcome to my new video. So today I'm introducing you my new end-to-end workflow, which is a project UAT feedback triage with routing and closed loop. So we have a full feedback triage using AI. So the goal of this workflow is really simple. So when you're doing a product UAT, you will get a lot of feedbacks. So with this workflow and the help of AI, you will be able to have some triage of the analysis and triage of the feedback, and then following diverse scenarios, you will get different behavior. So this workflow might look like a little bit familiar if you saw my previous video, because it's a bundle of all of the 5 different scenarios that we have saw before. So let's have a look at this workflow. So the first step, of course, is a trigger. So for the trigger, it's up to you about how you want your trigger to be done and how you want to receive your feedback. So it can be email, Google Sheet, Google Form, or whatever you want. So it's really simple. Then your feedback will be normalized and cleaned, and then it will be reviewed by AI. And with the parsing and validation note, it will make sure that we will redirect to the correct scenarios. So we'll have different scenarios, and then with this condition, we'll see first if we need a manual review or not. So if we need a manual review, we'll go to the first scenario. So let's have a look at it. So I will not go into all of the details that I've talked about previously. So for this, I redirect you to the previous video, but it's more to show you the bundle and how we can bundle every scenario to have one big workflow, which will gather everything. So we'll have the first stream that will be for the manual review, or if we don't need the manual reviews, then we will go to let's say the next step with this switch node that will be used with the triage. So following the different triage, we will be redirected to the stream about the specific scenario that we need. So for example, for this scenario, it will be regarding the bug. So for this one, it will be regarding the feature request, this one regarding the UX feedback, and this one regarding when we don't have enough information and then we need more information to request to the tester. And then we can see that we'll still have the how to contact node about thanking the person about the feedback and providing him with some feedback. So following it on Slack or on Gmail. And we can see also that it's a little bit different, but for the first one, when we need a manual review, we'll have both message to be sure that we have all of the channel possible to allow the person, and then we'll have our webhook response that will close the loop and make sure that we have some traceability about what happened. So that's it for me. So as you can see, it's a bundle. So we gathered the different scenarios following the triage, and by adding some nodes and some other conditions like this one and the switch node, we can see that we can have a bundle and a workflow that will cover every possibilities. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to put them in the comment. If you like this video, please put a like. And I hope this video can be useful to you. So I wish you a great day. Bye bye.